Hello, this is Nandita again from Nandita's Rangoli. Today I will be showcasing the much awaited half silk dupattas. Half silk, why do we say first we should know about the fabric, why it is called half silk? Half silk because it is this particular fabric is a mixture of cotton and silk or resham. Now, mostly we find that in the markets, I have also faced it, that they say it's half silk, but actually it is not half silk. It is cotton and nylon, and as a result, the dupattas or the saris which have a mixture of cotton and nylon, they are very hard, they are very stiff, and they are quite rough. But in our cases, we are just using the right amount of silk and the right amount of cotton to give you half silk. As all our products, all our Dhakai products are all imported from Bangladesh. They are hand woven with a lot of patience, with a lot of love by expert weavers in rural Bangladesh. See, this is the one. This is the premium. Today I will be showcasing just the premium ones. Okay. Now this premium half silk dupatta, it is in off-white color. The base is in off-white. Here you are having a green, you are having mustard yellow and black buttas all over. The border is in black. This is the border, a few stripes. Then you have this korat part, and then you have this karela part here. This is folded into half. Okay. I'll just open it to you and I will show it to you. This is 35 inches wide. That is quite a huge one. This 35 inches wide and it is more than 2.5 meters long. Now, our half silk dupattas are a little bit expensive than the other half silk dupattas or saris which you find in the open market. The reason is that we are not using any nylon. We are using silk or resham and we are using cotton. So for price and availability, please have a word with us in our Indian number, that is +91 833 60 85 935. We give free shipping anywhere in India, and the GST is also being borne by us. So you need not pay for the GST. You need not pay for the shipping charges. It's complimentary from us. You just need to pay for this lovely dupatta. And before I proceed to my next color or next collection, you just have a look again, please. 35 inches wide and 2.5 meters long. This half silk, that is half resham and half cotton. Our prices, since we are getting all our products directly from our weavers, so you are getting at a price which is a wholesale price, okay? But on your retail purchase, as usual, our first client on your first order or a new client will give a 5% off on the price. If our new client is buying 2 products at one time, then she is going to get a flat 7% off instead of a 5% off. Our repeat clients will get a 7% off, whether it is 1 or 2 pieces. And if you buy 3 or more pieces, then you will get a flat 10% off. Now I'm moving over to my next dupatta. Now this dupatta is 38 inches wide and it is again more than 2.5 meters. It is about 265 centimeters. See, it's a huge one. Again, it is a very, very unique one. It is in off-white. It is in off-white, buttas all over. You have these stripes in the par or in achal. Then you have this korat par. You have this karela design. It's extremely manageable. It is extremely fine. It is extremely, extremely elegant. The weaves speak of the heritage of East Bengal, that is Bangladesh. This is all of our dupattas are hand woven. All are hand woven. next one is in a jet black. Please note that this width is again 35 inches wide. It's 35 inches wide and is more than 2.5 meters long. It is again in off-white. The base is in off-white. Bootas all over in jet black. A border in black. The aanchal is again in stripes. Then you have this corolla part. You have this korat part, and again this border. I'll just drape it around me so you can see it, that how it looks. This is in a blue border. This is again 35 inches wide and more than 2.5 meters long. Again, this is in off-white with a royal blue border with bootas in mustard color, that is, or golden yellow you can say. This is in red. This is again in royal blue. A lovely anchala border. Just drape it around myself. For the price and availability, please WhatsApp us at +91 833 6085 935. Free shipping anywhere in India. The next beauty in half silk is again in off-white, and this time it is the bridal red. It's red, mustard golden color, red, green, see the lightness of the fabric. It is so light, so soft. So I would like to thank every one of you for giving me constant support, and I hope that we meet soon again in another video. Bye bye. Bye for now. Take care.